nursery and prep students. So today we are going to do one Diwali decoration piece, and our topic is diya making with the help of a fluorescent paper. So let's start now and see what I am doing. I have taken some bits of paper, colorful papers, white paper. I have taken salute tape, then Fevicol I have taken, and stapler. These things I have taken, and let's start. Okay, you just watch how I am doing, what I am doing. Okay, these things I have taken. We have to go one line here and cut a stick from this. Here we will draw one line with the help of pencil and cut one strip like this. This is type of stick we will cut and keep it here. With this piece of papers we will cut 3 pieces with white, yellow and orange. 3 pieces of this size for making flame of the diya. After cutting these 3 pieces, we will cut in this shape, in a flame shape. For that you have to fold it like this. We will fold and cut it in this direction like flame. And again what we have to do, we have to keep the orange parts the bigger one and cut these 2 things, papers in little smaller than the orange one, so that it overlaps here like this. Okay, so that orange is also visible, and above all we will put the white one, and we will cut this also in the same direction so that it is smaller than the yellow also, like this. Okay, this type we have to make for flame. We have made the flame part. Now see, we will take this type of papers, 3 colors I have taken. Let's start. First I am taking one paper, and you have made the paper fan with this to fold like this direction. Then you want the paper, fold like this, like paper fan. Okay, this way you keep folding until the paper ends. Okay, now this you fold it. से फोल्ड zigzag डायरेक्शन में एक बार आगे से एक बार पीछे से फोल्ड करते जाएंगे, जैसे हम लोग पहले से ही पेपर फैन वगैरह बनाए हैं. दिस वे यू विल फोल्ड इट. Here we have completed. Then last, this is the last fold completed. Then what you have to do, apply a little bit of Fevicol here. First fold it like this, like fan, so that both the part are equal. Now we have to paste it here. Here we have to do pasting. So what we have to do before that, we will take a stapler with the help of parents, and because it can damage your hand, so take help of parents and staple one here like this, stapler, with the help of a stapler. Then fold it like this, apply Fevicol. Okay, apply Fevicol and paste it. So I am applying Fevicol here. With the application of Fevicol we will paste it. In this way we have pasted. Here we have pasted it. Now you can see half fan and this semicircle is coming. What we have to do now, we have to apply Fevicol here, this part, or on this part, this white strip what you have cut at first, and paste it like this. In this direction we have to paste it from here till here, so that it remains stiff like a semicircle. Like this we have to paste. Okay, here we have to paste. So first we will apply Fevicol on this strip. Apply Fevicol on this strip. You can apply on the fan part also, and like this we have applied. Now I will paste it here. I have applied Fevicol and pasted it like a semicircle. हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि ये करेंगे दिस वे, यू टू यूज दिस वे सो दैट इट बिकम्स सेमीसर्कल. ओके, ये हो गया. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, इसको हम लोग दिस पार्ट वी विल कट एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रिप ऑफ वाइट कट कर लिए। यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी हम लोग पहले से स्टेपलर पिन मार दिए, ख़राब नहीं होगा वो। स्टेपलर पिन नहीं मारने से खुलने का डर रहेगा, तो ये कर लिए। उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, ये सब पार्ट में डेकोरेटिव बिंदीज वगैरह लेकर के हम लोग चिपका लेंगे हियर। ओके, यू कैन यूज़ कलर्स ऑल्सो और एनी अदर डेकोरेटिव सितारा एंड ऑल यू कैन पेस्ट हियर, इट विल लुक मोर बेटर। बट नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू फॉर मेकिंग द फ्लेम, वी हैव ऑलरेडी कट दिस थिंग्स, वी विल मेक द फ्लेम ऑफ दिस। First take the orange strip, above that we will paste the yellow one। ये लिए ऑरेंज के ऊपर येलो वाला को चिपका दिए like this, we pasted it। now take one white one and paste on the yellow। you will see that the orange is bigger than the yellow and then the shortest is white। white paste करने के समय what we have to see that this comes little bit out so that we can fold it here like this we will fold। okay, this type of shape you will get, understood। and on this folded part we will apply little bit फेविकॉल यहाँ लगा दिए and take the diya and we will paste this flame above this in this way। okay, so we have made it। apply the flame part and leave it for some time so that it dries properly। so ये भी ध्यान देना है कि एकदम मिडिल में हो। ओके, एकदम मिडिल में आना चाहिए वो। अगर नहीं आ रहा तो थोड़ा सा इसको फोल्ड कर शेप को चेंज कर लेंगे ताकि एकदम अच्छा से स्टिक हो जाए। like this we have done। now what we have to do, एक बना लिया, अब दूसरा बनाएंगे, तीसरा बनाएंगे, एटलीस्ट 3 बना लेंगे। तो एक बन गया, ये मैंने दूसरा बना दिया, ये सेम वैसे तीसरा बना दिया। अब ये तीनों को हम लोग किसी भी तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं, घर के दरवाजा पे इस तरह साइड बाय साइड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक ना। like this you can use or on one top of other like this we can use। okay, you can see how I have done। इस तरह से करके एक सूता में बांध के भी इसको लटका देंगे तो सुंदर लगेगा। और we will cut strips from that white sheet and paste it। look, I have taken this sheet and cutting strips of this। इसमें से 3 स्ट्रिप काट लेंगे तो उसके में हम लोग चिपका सकते हैं उसको। Make the line properly so that you can cut it easily। take help of your parents। और ये हमारे पास रेडी हो गया है। ये थोड़ा सा ठीक नहीं दिख रहा है, इसको ठीक कर लेंगे शेप को। इफ़ यू ड्रॉ लाइन एंड कट देन इट विल बी इजी। अब क्या करेंगे, इसको हम लोग इसको पेस्ट कर लेंगे फेविकॉल से, एक लंबा से स्ट्रिप बना लेंगे। उसके बाद ये फ्लेम को लेंगे, यहाँ पीछे इसका फेविकॉल लगाएंगे और इस स्ट्रिप में पेस्ट कर देंगे। एक में हो गया, दूसरा भी उसी तरह पेस्ट कर देंगे like this and then third one। So you can see what type of effect is coming। now I will show you this type of thing you will get। okay, and you can use it in decorating your house like this। you will get cut the extra piece, you will cut here, एक्स्ट्रा को हटा देंगे और यहाँ पे हम लोग जहाँ पे लगाना दरवाज़ा पे वहाँ पे लगा के टांग देंगे। So it is looking beautiful. You can use here sitaras and all so to decorate this part. Okay, and it will, you can really feel proud that we have done some decoration with your own ideas. Okay, thank you. I hope that you will enjoy this, doing this, and